In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed videos in a Hostinger page. This is a simple yet essential task if you want to create engaging content that can capture your audience's attention. So let's dive right in and take it step by step. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Hostinger homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure you enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Websites tab. Now, this is where you manage the sites you have hosted on Hostinger. Simply click on it and you'll see a list of your existing websites. Next, choose the website you want to modify and click on Edit Website. This option allows you to make changes to your site using Hostinger's intuitive website builder. Once you're in the website editor, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see a variety of options that help you customize your website layout, style, and content. Among these, there should be a tab labeled Elements. Click on it to access various components you can add to your pages, including images, buttons, and of course, videos. Now, within the Elements section, you should see an option that says Video. This is the tool you'll use to embed video content directly into your page. Click on Video and you might see a placeholder appear on your web page. This is ready to be replaced with your actual video content. With the video element in place, it's time to personalize it. To do this, look for the option that says Edit Video. Clicking this will typically bring up a new menu or panel where you can input the URL of your video. Make sure you have the correct video link handy, whether it be from YouTube, Vimeo, or another platform, so you can easily paste it in. Once you've entered the video URL, you can usually tweak a few settings to tailor how the video displays on your site. This might include options like autoplay, mute, or loop settings. Be sure to adjust these according to how you want your users to experience the content. Remember, an engaging video can go a long way in enhancing the user experience, so take a moment to ensure everything looks and functions just right. And there you have it. Your video is now embedded on your Hostinger page. Make sure to preview your changes to see how everything looks, and if all is good, hit Publish to update your live site. Embedding videos can greatly enhance the interactivity and appeal of your website content, making your pages more dynamic and engaging for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.